Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the garage cleanup video from the super muddy 2019 Ford F-150 from a little while back. Let's jump right into it and take a quick look at the truck. Okay, well, just in case you missed the main channel video, this truck belonged to one of the workers who was out at the studio site when it was a complete mud pit, and it didn't take long for the entire truck to be coated with thick mud, which eventually led to it all ending up on my garage floor and then in my drain pit. So as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching it all get washed away. Okay guys, well, as usual, we'll start with some of the pressure washing footage, which is pretty darn satisfying today because with each pass, more of that beautiful blue paint is revealed. And I do have to apologize for this video taking longer than expected to get out for you guys. It's been a crazy busy few months with everything going on with Detail Geek Auto Care and with the studio, so I'm doing my best to keep bringing you guys these videos, but things should hopefully return to normal soon. Okay, moving to the back now, and like I mentioned in the opening, this truck belongs to one of the workers who was out at the studio site after it had rained, and I remember watching him pull his trailer through all the mud and thinking, oh, that's gonna be fun to clean up. Well, joke's on me, because after he told me that he never had time to clean the vehicle, I sort of felt bad and figured I'd offer my services. So while I do enjoy pressure washing dirty vehicles, dealing with mud like this is a bit of a pain, as it takes quite a bit of time to get it all off. But there's no question the transformation is just that much better at the end. Alright, well with the truck clean now, it's time to tackle the ridiculous amount of mud on the garage floor. And the best and certainly most satisfying way to do that is going to be with the pressure washer. Now, one thing that I'm looking forward to at the studio is the fact that my drain will be centered as opposed to being off to one side of where I'm parking the vehicles. So that's going to help with making the cleanup a bit easier. But as you may know, I've also got a significantly larger drain pit in there, which is going to be able to hold way more mud, making these cleanups far less frequent. Okay, here's what the pit is looking like right now, and it's pretty nasty and full of mud. So the first step is to clean around the top edges of the pit with my grandpa's old drywall knife that he gave me, and then I'll get to work on scooping out the mud. Now with the majority of the mud out, I'll run a whole bunch of water through the pit to flush even more through, and then I'll scoop it out again and repeat the process.